25 cents? No. I wouldn't pay 25 cents to go nowhere. 'Cause up in Harlem every Saturday night, where the highbrows get together, it's just too tight. They all congregate in an all-night strut. And what they do is tut. Old Hannah Brown from Crosstown, she gets full of corn. She starts breaking them down just at the break of day. You can hear old Hannah say, I want a big butt and a bottle of beer. Send me gate, I don't care. I feel like I want a clown. Give the piano player a drink because he's bringing me down. He's got a rhythm, yeah. When he stomps his feet, he sends me right off to sleep. Check all your razors and your guns. We're gonna be wrestling when the wagon comes. I want a big foot and a bottle of beer. Slay me 'cause I don't care. Yeah. Slay me 'cause I don't care. I want a big foot and a bottle of beer. Send me gate, I don't care. I feel like I want a clown. Give the piano player a drink because he's bringing me down. He's got a rhythm, yeah. When he stomps his feet, he sends me right off to sleep. Check all your razors and your guns. We're gonna be wrestling when the wagon comes. I want a reefer and a gang of gin. Slay me 'cause I'm